and gentlemen, and welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada. We are traveling on an active taxiway, and we will be doing so until we have arrived at the gate. So until then, please make sure that your seatbelt stays securely fastened until we have arrived at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, before leaving our aircraft, please check all of your surrounding areas for any carry-ons that you may have brought on board with you. And please use caution when opening the overhead bins.